Welcome to this Mindful Healing Moment. I'm Kimberly Murphy from Crofton Yoga Wellness, and this is Steve Smith from Mindful Healing Acupuncture. Today we're bringing you a video that creates movement from the base of the spine to the crown of the head. And we recommend that you give this a try daily, and multiple times a day can be really good for spine health and also to maybe clear that brain fog. So it's called the 6 movements of the spine. Basically what we're doing is we're moving our spine in the 6 directions that it needs to go each day for spinal health. These movements can be done in a chair, standing, or seated. So let's start with the first one, called number 1 and 2, called cat and cow sometimes, or spinal flexion and extension. So Steve's going to go with the chair version. I'm going to come into tabletop. So again, seated on floor, standing, or in a chair. And from here, you're going to round your back, look towards your body, and then go the other direction, look out in front of you. And create these little waves from the base of the tailbone to the crown of the head, soft and slow. There's no need to rush. And if you're looking for a number, how many times should you go back and forth? You want to shoot for between 4 to 6 times. Really moving to get everything going. And then slowing down. And bring yourself tall. So whether that means seated on the floor, standing, or in that chair. And we're going to prepare for movements 3 and 4, lateral flexion and extension, or side bending. So Steve and I are going to start by going to the right, and we're going to raise the left arm up. And then we're going to come back up and go to the other side. And the arm doesn't have to go up overhead. It can stay by your side. It's more about how you're moving through the core of your body, from your shoulders to your hips. And in the chair, you have the nice option that you could hold the side of your chair, maybe the leg of the chair. And that sometimes can help you go a little deeper, that sense of safety from support. Once you've gone that 4 to 6 times side to side, stop in the middle and feel this. Last 2, movements 5 and 6, or a twist. So let's take a breath in and get long. And then exhale, go to the right. Inhale, come back to the center. And exhale to the left. And try that a few times. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inviting your body into the twisted shape, never forcing it. The breath is that great partner. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. One more time each side. And when you're back at the center, take a moment here to just feel. And in the days ahead, may you pull out this video as a little reminder to get yourself moving. And maybe get that task list done. But also set yourself up to make it a great day on purpose. We're rooting for you. Till next time, take care and be well. Bye.